Building internal links on your website is an important part of an SEO strategy. So what are internal links? Internal links are hyperlinks that link to other pages on your own website. The idea is to use anchor text that gives your visitors an idea of what the page is about. Anchor text is the visible part of the link that the users click. If you're using an image and linking an image, Google will look at the alt tag of the image and use that as the anchor text. There are link types that are good for SEO. Exact match uses the same keyword phrase that the page you're targeting uses. For example, linking the text business consulting services to a business consulting services page. A partial match uses a variation of the targeted keyword phrase. An example is using the anchor text business advice to link to a business consulting services page. It isn't an exact match, but it includes some of the keywords or a variation of them. There are also link types that have no SEO value. A naked link shows the actual URL. A generic link, like click here, isn't really telling Google or the user what the user will find when they click the link. It's good practice to use exact or partial match phrases for your anchor text. This helps search engines as well as website visitors understand what type of content they can expect to find if they click the link. Why are internal links important? They help visitors navigate your site. They boost time on site by leading visitors to other relevant content they might be interested in. They direct people to your next step or your call to action, whether that's buying a product or contacting you. And they also help search engines understand your site's structure. They signal which pages are most important because if you have a lot of links pointing to a specific page, like your main services page, that's telling Google that's an important page because there are a lot of links pointing to it. Your navigation bar has internal links, but you also want to use them on your page where it makes sense. You do not want to overuse internal links as that can look spammy. Linking to your main pages from blog posts and other pages can help send the signal that these are your key, most important pages. Locations of links matters. Links in a footer or a sidebar carry less weight than links in the body of the page. Links in the above fold area, that's the part of the page that's visible without scrolling, can be considered stronger links. Relevance is important. Links should make sense in their placement on a page, and the anchor text should match the page you're linking to in content or topic. Use a variety of keyword phrases. Using the same exact anchor text over and over for a specific page can actually hurt you. Use a variation of keywords in your anchor text so it doesn't look spammy or suspicious to search engines. Now let's talk about the number of links. There's no hard, fast rule about the number of links you should have on a page. Use them with intention to either give more information on a topic or to lead your visitors to your products or services. You're trying to guide the visitor to an end goal. This could be contacting you, purchasing a product, or hiring you for a service. Offering too many links, in my opinion, gives them too many choices. Rich anchor text. This means using keywords that you're trying to rank for. This should be natural and not overdone. There is such a thing as over-optimizing a site. You should be using an SSL certificate on your site and forcing your site to use the HTTPS secure version of each page. Your internal links should always use the secure version. Google considers HTTP and the HTTPS versions of your site to be two different sites, and you want all the search engine love going to your preferred version of the site. If you're using WordPress, it can be easy to find link opportunities by searching your pages and posts for some keywords. Go to your WordPress dashboard and select either pages or posts. Use the search feature to enter a keyword phrase and then see if you get any results. These are the pages that may have some link opportunities. See if you can work in 3 to 5 internal links per page. Make your anchor text relevant. Link to your core, most important pages. This would be your services and products when possible. Vary your anchor text. You want variation, not the same text over and over again that's linked to a page. Schedule a block of time each week when you can work on building internal links. It's time well invested in improving your website.